you guys need to get this wig. It's giving human hair. Say hello to Jalysana. I'm butchering her name right now. Say hello to her. Like she is gorgeous. So I'm just gonna, oh, I should say like welcome. Did I welcome you guys? Hey guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine, and today I'll be doing a wig installation video for you guys. So let's get into the process. After that, I'll be giving you guys the whole info after I show you how I installed this unit. so I'm done installing the unit. You guys have seen the finished look. It's looking very gorgeous. This is the outer lace front wig. I'm reading off the card, so that's why I'm looking down. It came with natural baby hairs, which I've showed you guys in the first clip. Her name or the style is Jalysana. Oh my gosh, guys, I keep saying the wrong name. It is Jalysana. Please excuse me. That's her name, and she's 12 inches long, and she's in the color number 1. Let me tell you, this hair, it almost feels like a human hair to me personally, to be honest. It's not as soft, but it's mimicking human hair. It doesn't look too shiny, like right out of the package. It does not look too shiny, and that's not a giveaway that I'm wearing a synthetic hair. It does come with like HD lace. It was like a white type of lace, but you guys saw me tint the lace using the spray. The spray was a bit light, so I went ahead and used my foundation color to ensure that the lace will blend properly. Me installing my hair inside my room right now, when I go outside, I don't want to see no white lace, so I use the foundation so I can blend in with my hair, and it does blend well. Like, what lace? If you look real close, you know, you can see the lace, but from far, like, it's giving my hair what lace. This is my hair, okay? So lastly, you guys saw me add heat to this hair, and it can take heat up to 400 Fahrenheit. Yeah, so those are the details. All you need to know about this wig. I did experience some like tangling so far. I'm putting on the hair, and some strands are coming out. Remember that it's synthetic, and you know, it's cheap. You guys can see the price here in Jamaican dollars. I paid 6,300 Jamaican dollars. If you guys are interested in purchasing this exact unit, you can find it on my Amazon storefront in the description below. It's cheap here, but it's looking really, really good. This hair is so pretty. It's really, really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys feel inspired to purchase this hair because it's really pretty. So I'll be wearing this throughout the week. This is my hairstyle for the week, and we'll see how she holds up. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye. All right, I'm hot. Perfect for the summer because the place is so hot. I don't want no long hair right now. This bob look is giving.